Our beaches, once filled with beauty and life, are now slowly being destroyed by trash. Floating plastics, broken fishing nets, and various waste are polluting the waters and endangering marine life. Every piece of garbage left behind is a step closer to the destruction of our oceans. We must take action now to protect what remains.
Grabe no? Tingnan niyo yung paligid. Para nagtambakan ng basura.
Oo nga eh. Pero parang normal na naman yan sa mga tabing dagat ngayon.
Lloyd, hindi dapat normal ito. Kung hindi tayo kikilos, masisira ang tahanan ng mga hayop at pwede tayo apektado.
Eh ano bang gagawin natin? Pupulutin natin mga basura dito?
Pwede naman, kung sisimulan natin ngayon.
Lakad baller.
Ayan, malinis na. Sana ma-maintain natin to.
Oo, pero hindi lang dapat tayo. Kailangan din natin ipaalam sa iba.
Tama. Kung kaya natin, kaya din nila.
Next week ulit kaya. Gawa tayo ng grupo.
Sige, simula pa lang to.
Always remember that taking care of nature greatly impacts not only our daily lives but also the future of our families, communities, and the entire world. This includes protecting our marine environment, as the health of our seas and oceans is vital for sustaining life and preserving biodiversity. Together, let us safeguard the environment both on land and in the sea for a better, cleaner, and happier future.